devil bitches love with me. Me and Satan pounding around can really fuck with me.